mathematics class. In this class is for class 9 in continuation to the previous class where we were discussing exercise 12 and we have done up to question number 14. We were doing in the multiples of 2. So continuing in the same way, we move on to question number 16. So what is there in this question number 16? It is said that in the given figure, means we have to consider the figure first. You can see there is a triangle ABC and in the same it is triangle EBD. So what do they say? In the given figure, BC is equal to 5 centimeter, means this BC is equal to 5 centimeter is given, and angle B is 90 degrees. So we are drawing angle B 90 degree. Then they say AB is equal to 5 times of AE. AB, it is given. What is given? We will write what is given. It is given, first thing is BC is equal to 5 centimeter, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then they say AB is equal to 5 times of AE. So we are assuming let AE is equal to X, so that our calculation part will be easy. So AB, if AE I am assuming as X, then AB will become 5 times of X, that we'll see later on. Then what do they say? CD is equal to 2 times of AE. It means 2X, and here it, okay, let's leave it. 2X, and again it is given that AC is equal to ED. What you can see from this, you can make out AC is the hypotenuse for triangle ABC and ED is the hypotenuse for triangle EBD. It means that hypotenuse of both the triangles are given equal, and this is what we will utilize for our solution. Then they say find EA. We have to find 2-3 things. First we have to find EA or AE, you can say. Second thing, we have to find CD, AB, and fourth point we have to find AC. These 4 things we have to find out. Now, first of all, it is given AB is equal to 5E, implies that AB can be written as 5x, because we have assumed AE as x, so AB will become 5x. Now if we consider in triangle ABC, we can say AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Why? By Pythagoras theorem. Now AB is how much? 5x. So we are writing 5x square plus BC is 5 given. So 5 square is equal to AC square. But AC, okay, leave it as AC square. Let this be equation number 1. Now we can say in triangle EBD, what can we say? Hypotenuse is ED, so ED square is equal to EB square plus BD square. ED square is equal to EB square plus BD square. BD can be written as BC plus CD, and CD is given to you 2AE or 2 times of X. So here I am writing CD as 2 times of X. So EB, this EB will be AB minus AE. EB will be AB minus AE and its square, plus BD can be written as BC plus CD whole square. Just substitute the values. AB was 5x, AE was simply x whole square, plus BC is 5, CD is 2x whole square. So we will get it as 4x square plus 5 plus 2x whole square, that equals to ED square. It is given that ED and AC are equal. Here we got as AC square, here we got as ED square. If this, let us name it as equation number 2. If this first and second are equal, it means we can equate them. So when we equate, or we can say from equation 1 and 2, what do we get? We can say 5 times of x whole square plus 5 square, that is AC, is equal to ED is 4x whole square plus 5 plus 2x whole square. Now when we solve it out, 5x square can be written as 25x square of 5x plus 25, 4x is 16x square plus 5 plus 2x will be solved by identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 5 square is 25, this is a square, plus b square will be 4x square plus 5 to the 10 to the 20x according to a plus b whole square. Now 16 and 4 is 20x square of positive, here it is 25x square. It means this will be written as 25x square minus 20x square. 25 and 25 will cancel, is equal to 20x, implies that 25 minus 20 is 5 times of x square is equal to 20x, 1x and 1x cancelled, implies that x is equal to 20 upon 5, that is 4. And x we have taken as AE, it means AE we got as 4 centimeters or 4 units, whatever is it. So we got the value of AE. Now we need CD. CD is 2 times of x. So CD is equal to 2x. That can be written as 2 into 4. That is 8 units or 8 centimeters. Next is AB. AB was 5x. AB was 5x. It means 5 into 4. That is 20 centimeter. And the last one was AC. AC I am writing here. AC. Now AC square is 5x square plus 5. So simply you can solve from here. 5x square plus 5 square. Now 5 into 4, that is 20 square plus 5 square. 20 square is 400. 5 square is 25. So 425. So AC will be under root 425. You can calculate find the root of 425. So 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5 and 7s are. It means this can be written as 5 under root 17 units or 5 under root 17 centimeter. Now in the next part of question number 16, it is also based on the diagram. So I have drawn the diagram and written whatever was required to be written. They say in the figure 2 given below, ABC is a right angle triangle. So you can see ABC is a right angle triangle where which is right angled at C. So you can see that angle C is 90 degree. Then they say D is the midpoint of BC. So I have made D midpoint of AC. It means BD and DC are equal. And written also D is the midpoint of BC. You can also say implies that BD is equal to DC. Right. Then they say prove that AB square is equal to 4 times of AD square minus 3 times of AC square. Now first of all, if we take triangle ABC, so we can say in triangle ABC, again you can see that opposite to angle C is AB, so we can say that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. This BC plus AC. But BC can be written as B, since D is the midpoint, so BC can be written as 2 times of BC. So I am writing 2 times of DC square plus AC square. Why? Since BC is equal to 2 times of DC. When you open this, this will become 4 times of BC square plus AC square, and that is your AB square. This we will keep for future reference. Now we take triangle, smaller triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, we can say that AD square is equal to DC square plus AC square. Now DCV, what do we want? We want AB, we want AD, we want AC. We don't want DC. So this DC can be written in the form of AD and AC, implies that DC square can be written as AD square minus AC square. This comes to this side, AC square comes to the left hand side, it will become negative. So AD square minus AC square is equal to DC square. This we can use in this place, in first equation. Means from this we can say AB square is equal to 2 times of DC whole square will be 4 times of DC square plus AC square. In place of DC we can put AD square minus AC square. So 4 times of AD square minus AC square plus AC square. When you open the bracket, you will get 4 times of AD square minus 4 times of AC square plus AC square. That is all equal to AB square. Now 4AD. So this means that we can say AB square is equal to, this will be as it is, 4 times of AD square minus 4AC plus AC will give you minus 3 times of AC square, and that is what was required to prove. You can see 4AD minus 3AC, 4AD minus 3AC is equal to AB square to AB. So this is proved. So now we move on to the next question. Now we will consider question number 18. In question number 18, they say in a rhombus, if the diagonals are 30 and 40 centimeters, find its perimeter. So what I have done, I have drawn a rhombus A, B, C, D. Now what are the properties of rhombus? That all the sides of the rhombus are equal. Means AB will be equal to BC, will be equal to CD, will be equal to DA. All the sides of the rhombus are equal. First point. Second point, that diagonals bisect each other at right angles. This is the first point. Second point, that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. It means all these angles are 90, 90, 90 and 90 if they are meeting at a point O, and they bisect also. So 30 centimeter and 40 centimeter. It means this looks smaller, so we can say that DB is equal to 30 centimeter given and AC is equal to 40 centimeter given. We know that point O will bisect AC and BD. It means in place DB, it means in DB, O is the midpoint of DB. So we can say DO is equal to OB is equal to 15 centimeter. Similarly, AC is also bisected at point O. So we can say AO is equal to OC is equal to 20 centimeter. Why? Because of this property that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. It means this is 20, this is 20, this is 15 and this is 15. Now in triangle AOB, now what we can say, in triangle AOB, you see that angle O is 90. Why? Because diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly or at right angles. It means angle O is 90. So triangle AOB will be a right angle triangle with AB as hypotenuse. So we can say that in triangle AOB, AB square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to AO square plus OB square by Pythagoras theorem. Now AO we know that is given 20, so 20 square, OB is 15, so 14 square, 20 square is 400, 15 square is 225, total makes 625, so that is AB square, implies that AB is equal to under root of 625 and that is 25 centimeter. So 25 is the length of each side, so this is the final value. Why? Because all the sides of the rhombus are equal. If one side is 25, then all the other sides will also be 25. So we have to find what we have to find, its perimeter. So perimeter will be what? If all the sides are equal, this plus this plus this plus this, or simply 4 times of AB. Instead of adding all these 4, we simply multiply by 4 because all these sides are equal. So 4 into 25, and that is 100 centimeters the perimeter of this rhombus. Now the question that we have taken is question number 19 C part, because this is a question that requires a proof. What is given? They say A, B, C, D is a square. You know that in a square all the sides are equal, so I have written AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and that is given as 7 centimeters. Then they say AE is equal to AH and FC is equal to GC is equal to 3 centimeters. Means this is 3 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters, and this is 3 centimeters. So obviously this left GD will be 4, this is 4 left, this is 4 left, and this is 4 left, because this total is 7 and 7 and 7. So we can say, first of all you have to prove EFGH is a rectangle. To prove that EFGH is a rectangle, we need to prove that its all the angles are 90 degree. Why? Because in any quadrilateral, if all the angles are 90 degree, it is for sure that this is a rectangle. That is the definition of the rectangle. Means any quadrilateral with all angles right angle is a rectangle. So our main focus should be in proving angle EFGH as 90 degree. So if you consider, means you say in triangle AEH, AE and AE is equal to AH is equal to 3 centimeter, that is given, and angle A is equal to 90 degree. It means that triangle AEH is a right angled isosceles triangle. If isosceles triangle, it means this side and this side are equal, and this angle is 90 degree angle. It means this angle and this angle will be 45 and 45. 45 degree and 45 degree. How we can say? We can say angle A plus angle H plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. And we know that since AE and AH are equal, it means angle opposite to AH is angle E and angle opposite to AE is angle H are equal. This is equal. So E and H are equal, right? Angle A is given 90 degree. So 90 plus, in place of H if I write E, 2 times of angle E is equal to 180. So angle E is equal to 180 minus 90 upon 2, and that is 45 degree. So this comes 45, this comes 45. Similarly, this is 4 and 4, this is 90 degree. So this is also 45 and this is also 45. Similarly, this is 45 and again by the same concept, this is also 45. Similarly, this is 45 and this is 45 degree. Now this is a straight line. This angle plus inside, this angle HEF means what we can say, angle AEH plus angle HEF plus angle FEB is equal to 180 degree. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. AEH we have found 45 plus angle HEF we don't know plus angle FEB is again 45 is equal to 180 degrees. So angle HEF will be 180 minus 45 and 45 is 90. So it becomes 90 degree. We have said that this angle is 90 degree. Similarly, we can prove that this angle is also 90 degree. Similarly, this angle is also 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. So when all the angles of a quadrilateral are 90 degree, so we can say therefore EFGH is a rectangle. Why? Because we have proved or we have said that angle E is equal to angle F is equal to angle G is equal to angle H, all have been proved as 90 degree. This was the first part. Now we move on to the second part. Now second part is, in the second part they say find the area and perimeter of rectangle EFGH. So in order to find the area of EFGH, what we can do, we can find the area of this total square and subtract area of these two triangles plus these small triangles. So we can say that this can be written as area of square ABCD minus area of triangle HAE plus area of triangle EBF plus area of triangle FCG plus area of triangle GDH. Now we know that the square of the that area of the square is side into side. Side is given 7, so area will be 7 into 7 minus. When we talk about HAE, area of triangle we know is half into base into height. So using this formula, we can see that in this HAE, AE can be considered as base and AH can be considered as height. So half into AE into AH, then plus in the second that can be written as half into EB into BF plus half into CF into CG plus half into GD into DH. Now we'll just substitute the values. 7 into 7 is 49 minus half, where I am taking common, AE into AH, that is 3 into 3 plus EB into BF 4 into 4 plus CF into CG 3 into 3 plus GD into DH 4 into 4. It means this total will be 49 minus half into 9 and 9 means 2 into 9, or you can say this as 2 into, this can be written as 9 plus 16 plus 9 plus 16. Then it means that minus half into 2 times of 9 plus 16 is equal to 49. This end gets cancelled. So 49 minus 9 6 are 54. 5 be minus of 9 and 6 is 15. 5 2 25. 49 minus 25 is 9 minus 5 is 4. 24 centimeter square is the area of, this is area of E, F, G and H. Now when we need to find out the perimeter, perimeter will be EF plus FG plus GH plus FE, means EF plus FG plus GH plus HE. Now how do we calculate EF? this EF will be again using Pythagoras theorem. So I am just rubbing it out, then again I will come back. Now perimeter of EFGH can be written as EF plus FG plus GH plus HE. Now how to, I will be calculating one side. Let's talk about EF. So in triangle EBF, in triangle EBF, we can say EF square is equal to EB square plus BF square. EB is 4, at the same time BF is also 4. 16 plus 16, that is 32. So EF will be under root 32. Under root 32 means 16 2s are 32 in roots. When you take out of the root 16, you will get 4 root 2. And this is a fact that always the hypotenuse of right isosceles triangle is root 2 times of its side. If it would have been x, the hypotenuse would have been x root 2. Or if there is a square, its sides are x and x, so its diagonal is always x under root 2. Similarly, this is 3 and 3, so GF will be 3 root 2 and GH will again be 4 root 2 and EH will again be 3 root 2 because this is a rectangle and opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So I have found one value. Now similarly, I will be solving it for this also. Now in EF is equal to 4 root 2 and since EF is equal to, so you can say EF is equal to GH also. Also this is equal to GH. Now in triangle FCG, we can say that GF square is equal to GC square plus CF square. Again by what? By Pythagoras theorem. And here also again by Pythagoras theorem. So GC is 3. So 3 square plus 3 square 9 and 9 is 18. Implies that GF will be under root 18. Under root 18 means 3 root 2. So if this side is 3 root 2, so this also has to be 3 root 2 because the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Talk about the perimeter. So when we talk about the perimeter, we can say that perimeter can be EF plus FG plus GH plus HE. Now what was the value of EF? 4 root 2. What was the value of FG or GF? 3 root 2. Again GH 4 root 2 and 3 root 2. So 4 and 4 is 8 root 2. 3 and 3 is 6 root 2. 8 and 6 is 14 root 2 centimeter is the perimeter of the rectangle. So I'm finishing this class with this many questions. Now from question number 20 there are 3-4 questions left that are all of proving. So I will be discussing, or I will be trying to discuss each and every question that is of proving, right? So till then, stay at home, keep studying, and if you are not understanding, there are few things that you may not understand in one go. So that is why these videos are made. You can watch it again and again, and still if there is any doubt, you can send me your problem. Thank you. Stay blessed.